This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Karen Timmer. Better than new. Farmhouse-style home in perfect condition. Covered front porch leads into this open floor plan home. Living room with gas fireplace. Kitchen west/granite counters. Desk area, open to dining with access to large covered patio. Large laundry room and pantry. Spacious master bedroom west/separate shower and soaking tub plus large walk-in closet. 3 additional bedrooms. Home has air conditioning, 9-foot ceilings, 40 by 60 shop building west/4 14-feet doors complete with wood stove, separate garden/utility building, raised garden beds west/rasp. And strawberries, 2 nectarine, 2 pear and 2 apple trees. The perimeter of the property is tree-lined, playset stays. This is a one